Hi friends, welcome back to Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing a lion. Roar! But not just any lion. This one is known as the king of the jungle. Why do people call lions the king? Is it the crown? Is it the roar? Or something else? Let's find out together as we draw. And if you love learning while drawing, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our animal adventures. Lions are big cats, just like house cats, but way bigger. They mostly live in Africa, in wide open grassy areas, called savannas, not jungles. So maybe king of the jungle is a bit silly, right? But lions are still special. They have big golden manes, that's the fluffy hair around their heads, and very loud roars. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. That's as far as 80 football fields. Imagine hearing that when you're trying to nap. As you color in your lion's mane, make it super big and fluffy. That's how other animals know he's important. Lions live in groups called prides. It's like a lion family. They rest together, hunt together, and take care of each other. Let's pretend we're in a lion pride too. You're the cub, and this big lion is your protector. He keeps watch while the others nap under a tree. A little monkey makes noises in the bushes. The lion roars, and the monkey runs away. That's one brave lion. Do you think you could roar like that?
Yes!
Try it now. Roar! Okay, maybe not that loud. Guess what? Not all lions have manes. Only male lions do. So if you see a lion without a mane, it might be a lioness, the female lion. And lionesses are amazing hunters. They do most of the hunting for the pride. So who's the real king or queen, What would you rather be? A roaring king or a super fast hunter? If you're having fun drawing and learning, give this video a big thumbs up. So, why are lions called the king? Maybe it's their confidence. Maybe it's their teamwork. Or maybe it's because they walk like they own the place. finish our drawing, take a look. Your lion looks so royal on that rock. And now you know the story of why lions are called the king of the jungle, even if they don't really live in jungles. Thanks for drawing and learning with me today. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye, friends!